give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Yes, welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where we will teaching you a technique every week. Okay, listen up. So today what we're gonna do a floor work off balance. So floor work off balance. So what do I mean with this? Is a lot of times you are off balance. Imagine you are breaking, you do floor work, and you see, oh, I go off balance. You can choose to fall, or you can choose to create a technique with it. Now in this time, okay, what I'm gonna do, a lot of time I like this position, so if I go off balance, I'll play with it. Now, how do I play with it? I create a reset point. What do I mean with reset point is, when I see I fall, I turn. When I fall, I turn. You see? So, the starting position that I like is this one. So every time, when I do footwork, and I see, oh, I'm falling. I play with it. I fall, reset point. So you play with the reset point, and you can choose at which time you create a reset point. Other stuff that I use, now I did a knee drop, so you can also do it for a knee drop. You fall, reset point, and you're back. Okay? So just something you can play with. You can also do the reset point like, okay, I go off balance, oh, so you play with it. Okay, so that's what you should know and practice it, okay? A lot of hip hop dancers, a lot of different styles use this technique. You can use it for breaking, house, hip hop, doesn't matter what, okay? So that was it. Hit the subscription button and enough talking, and go practice and do what you should do to create this and your own technique. Peace, that was it. See you.
Yo, if you have any tutorials you would like to see, put them in the comments below and we'll get to it. Remember, we do this for the love, but if you want to support us anyway, go to theruggeds.com and cop our merch.